Hi, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to get student premium on Spotify. So right here is the home page of my Spotify. The next thing you have to do is to click on the premium option found at the bottom of your screen. Scroll gently, click on try 1 month for 0 naira. So Spotify is offering free 1 month subscription for 0 naira. But after the 1 month, you'll be paying 800 naira as a student to subscribe to for Spotify students premium. So just click on the try 1 month, click on continue. So right here, all you have to do is to fill this information to tell Spotify about yourself. This information allows Spotify to be able to verify your school and be sure that it's a registered school. So after filling this information, your country, your school, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and the email address that the response from Spotify will be sent to, and also click good on this box here. It shows that you agreed to Spotify terms of policy or privacy policy, and the response from Spotify will be sent to this email that you typed in here. So guys, that is it on how to get student premium on Spotify. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.